I am going to discuss a very important topic, current density. Current density is defined as current flowing per unit area. Current flowing per unit area. This is called current density. Once again I repeat. What is the current density denotation? J. It is defined as current flowing per unit area. A indicate area. Okay? Look here now. Nana, here, what is the SI unit of current density? SI unit, Nana. Current unit is ampere. Area unit is meter square. Okay? Current density is a vector quantity. Here, area also vector quantity. J vector, A vector. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఐకి ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ జే ఐ ఈక్వల్ టు లుక్ హియర్ నానా జే ఏ ఓకే ఐ ఈజ్ ఏ స్కేలార్ స్కేలార్కి అదర్ నేమ్ స్కేలార్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇన్ ద మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ స్కేలార్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆల్సో కాల్ యాజ్ డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ దట్ మీన్స్ సింప్లీ రైట్ యాజ్ I equal to J bar dot A bar. Once again, Nana, what is the current formula? J bar dot A bar. This is most important formula, Nana. What is the current density? It is denoted by J. That means current flowing per unit area. That means I equal to J bar dot A bar. J is called current density. A is called area. Okay? This is the formula for current in terms of J and A. And also, look here, Nana. Current density inversely proportional to area. That means area more, current density less. That means current density depends upon the cross sectional area of the conductor. Nana, but current not depends upon the area of the conductor. Okay? Simply call as which physical quantity not depends upon the area of the conductor? Current. Okay? Which physical quantity depends upon the area of the conductor? Current density. Look here now. Topic Nana. The topic name is drift velocity. Look here Nana. Drift velocity Nana. It is denoted by Vd. Once again I repeat, drift velocity denoted by Vd. Here Nana, this is a conductor Nana. Look here. Okay, this is a conductor Nana. Drift velocity. This is a conductor Nana. Okay. Here Nana, in the conductor, for example, every conductor, one atom contain one free electron. Free electron ante idea unda kondalu. Atom ante nucleus untadi. Dini chuttu edo revolve avutuntayi electrons revolving around the nucleus. Nana, distance increase avutunte వీటి మధ్య అట్రాక్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది? డిక్రీజ్. అదేంది సార్ అట్రాక్షన్ అంటావు సార్ అంటే న్యూక్లియస్ ఈజ్ ఏ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ హ్యావ్ ఏ నెగటివ్ చార్జ్. ననా వీటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్, అట్రాక్షన్ డిక్రీజ్. వన్స్ అగైన్ రిపీట్. ఈ అవుటర్ మోస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్కి nucleus ki attraction is very very less. So this outermost electron is nothing but the free electron in the physics, in the chemistry, that is also called as valency electron. Look here nana, drift velocity means first I take conductor length enta teeskundam nana L. Conductor cross sectional area A. Look here nana, what is the conductor length? L. Conductor cross sectional area A. In the conductor nana, okay, have so many free electrons are there. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పా, ఒక్క ఆటంకి ఎన్ని ఫ్రీ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉంటాయి? 1. మరి కండక్టర్ హ్యావ్ లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్స్, దట్ మీన్స్ లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. ఇదిగోనన్నా ఎలక్ట్రాన్, దట్ మీన్స్ కండక్టర్ హ్యావ్ large number of free electrons. Free electron is nothing but the valency electron, ORR, outermost electron. Okay, for example, here I apply potential difference. అంటే ఏం కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి? ఈ కండక్టర్ కి బ్యాటరీ కనెక్ట్ చేద్దాం. బ్యాటరీ వల్ల ఏ ఫీల్డ్ వస్తుంది? ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్. అంటే హియర్ దర్శన్ ఐ అప్లై ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అప్లైడ్. నానా ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్ వల్ల ఏ డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చింది నానా? పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్ అక్కర్. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్ అప్లైడ్, పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్ అక్కర్. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ హ్యావ్ నెగటివ్ చార్జ్. నెగటివ్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? రిపల్. పాజిటివ్ నెగటివ్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? అట్రాక్షన్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ మూవ్ one end to other end. That means electron acquire some velocity. The velocity is called drift velocity. Once again I repeat, what is the drift velocity? The velocity acquired by electron because of potential difference. This velocity is called drift velocity. Potential difference. This velocity is called as drift velocity. It is denoted by Vd. Next nana, look. I and Vd. Look here. Okay, look here now. This is the conductor. Conductor have large number of free electrons. Conductor length L. Conductor cross sectional area A. Look here now. Here current formula. What is the current formula? Q by T. Okay, here I equal to T means time, Q means charge. Here nana charge. Conductor have large number of electron. One electron charge E. How many electrons is there? N. Here capital N indicate number of electrons. E indicate charge of the electron. T indicate time. Once again repeat. Here capital N indicate number of electrons in a conductor. E, charge of each electron. What is the value of charge of each electron? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. T indicate time. Okay, look here now. This formula I neatly write as N E by T. Here write volume. Here write volume. Okay, here write volume nana. Look here nana. I equal to. Okay, capital N by. Okay, nana. Enduku rasanante volume emaindi cancel. Look here. Number of electrons by volume E by T. Here volume write as cross sectional area into length. Here area into length. Look here. Ikkada electron move one end to other end. That means distance by time is called velocity. Look here. I equal to, look here nana, N by volume E, A, distance by time is called velocity. This velocity is called drift velocity. Okay, because electron move one end to other end, that velocity is called drift velocity. Here I equal to number of electrons per unit volume is called as number density. Okay na, mass by volume is called density. Number of electrons per unit volume write as number density into E A V D. This is the relation between current and drift velocity. This is not necessary nana. Finally we get what is the relation between current and drift velocity. I equal to N E A V D. Here N indicate number density, E indicate charge of each electron, A indicate cross sectional area, VD indicate drift velocity. This is the formula for current and VD. This is the conductor now. Okay. In the conductor, one electron I take. Initially electron have rest. That means U becomes 0. Okay. Here I apply electrical field ORR potential difference by connecting the battery. Here negative repel, positive negative attract. So electron move. That velocity is called drift velocity. Okay. Mari V kavali ante, what is the kinematic first equation? V equal to U plus A T. Okay. Nana, look here Nana. Here V indicate VD. U indicate 0. Acceleration formula force by mass. Okay, here to here move. Take some time. That time is called relaxation time. Once again, Nana, the electron acquires drift velocity. Take some time. That time is called relaxation time. Here small t time, that denoted by tau. Tau is called relaxation time. Relaxation time means, here look here, నానా ఇది అర్థమైందా? ఏ వాల్యూ ఎఫ్ బై ఎం. ఇన్ ద ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ, ఇన్ ద కైనమాటిక్స్ ఎఫ్ వాల్యూ ఎంఏ. ఇన్ ద ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ఎఫ్ వాల్యూ క్యూఈ. క్యూఈ బై ఎం ఇంటూ టౌ. This is the relation between drift velocity and relaxation time. QE by m into tau. But Q is nothing but the electron. Simply E. Q is write as E. What is the formula for VD? E by m into tau. Write down, please write down.